Magandang araw! Pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay multiplication of fraction. Unahin natin ang rules in multiplying the integers. If the signs are the same, then the answer is positive. Kung parehong positive, ang product ay positive. Kung parehong negative, ang product ay positive din. Example, 5 times 6. The answer is positive 30. Negative 7 times negative 3, the answer is positive 21. Again, when you multiply same sign, the answer is positive. Next rule, if the signs are different, then the answer is negative. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng positive at negative, ang product ay negative. Negative times positive, ang product ay negative. Example, positive 1 times negative 12. The product is negative 12. Next, negative 15 times positive 4. The product is negative 60. Now, let us have a short exercise. Again, if you multiply same sign, the answer is positive. If you multiply different sign, the answer is negative. Let us answer number 1. Positive 7 times positive 6. The product is 42. Number 2. Negative 9 times positive 5. The product is negative 45. Number 3. Negative 10 times negative 9. The answer is positive 90. Number 4. 17 times negative 2. The product is negative 34. Number 5. Negative 8 times negative 3. Its product is 24. Now, let us have the rule for multiplication of fraction. If A over B and C over D are rational numbers, then A over B times C over D is equal to AC over BD. Now, let us have an example. First step, multiply the numerators. If we have 2/5 times 3/4, our numerators here is 2 and 3. At ang product nito ay positive 6. Next step, multiply the denominators. Ang denominators dito ay 5 and 4. At ang product nito ay 20. Last step, reduce the fraction if necessary o hahanapin mo ang lowest term. 6 over 20 ay pwedeng i-divide sa number 2, pareho. So, 6 divided by 2, the quotient is 3. 20 divided by 2, the quotient is 10. So, 2/5 times 3/4, the product is 3 over 10. Next example. If we have negative 3 over 10 times 2/7. Multiply the numerator. So, negative 3 times 2. Ang product nito ay negative 6. Sunod, multiply the denominators. So, 10 times 7. Its product is 70. Then reduce the fraction if necessary. So, ang 6, negative 6 at 70 ay pwedeng i-divide sa 2. Negative 6 divided by 2, the product is negative 3. And 70 divided by 2, the product is, or the quotient is 35. So, negative 3 over 10 times 2/7 is equal to negative 3 over 35. Next, what if we have mixed number? First, we need to express mixed number to improper fraction. Kapag sinabing improper fraction, mas mataas ang numerator kesa sa denominator. Unahin natin ang 5 and 1/3. To get its improper fraction, multiply 3 times negative 5 plus 1. So we have 3 times negative 5 is 16 plus 1. So we have negative 16. Then copy the denominator 3. Next, convert naman natin ang negative 4 and 1/2. So 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 1. We have negative 9. Then, copy the denominator, 2. Next, multiply the numerators. So, we have to multiply negative 16 times negative 9. And the product is 144. Remember, when we multiply, same sign, the answer is positive. So, same negative to, kaya ang answer natin ay positive. Next step, multiply the denominators. So, ang denominators natin ay 3 times 2. The product now is 6. Last, reduce the fraction if necessary. So, 144 divided by 6. The answer here is 24. So, negative 5 and 1/3 times negative 4 and 1/2 is equal to 24. Next, we have 80 times 3/4. So first, multiply the numerators. So our numerator here is 80 and 3. So 80 times 3, the answer is 240. Next, kung mapapansin nyo, naglagay ako ng over 1 ng denominator na 1. Remember, ang lahat ng whole number ay may denominator na 1. So, next is multiply the denominators. Ang denominator natin ay 1 and 4. So, the product of 1 times 4 is 4. Next step, reduce the fraction if necessary. So we have here 240 divided by 4. And the quotient is 60. Therefore, 80 times 3/4. The product is 60. Now let us have a practice exercise. Multiply the given fractions. Number 1, negative 4 over 11 times 2/5. The product is negative 8 over 55. Number 2, 1 and 1/2 times 4 and 1/6. Its product is 6 and 1/4. Number 3, -5 and 1/3 times -1 and 2/9. The answer is 6 and 14/27. Next lesson, division of fractions. Shout out kay Senpai Pogi.